Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set up HelpWire. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do, if you have not already, is to go ahead and open up the official HelpWire application and website right here at helpwire.app. Once you've done that, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with scrolling through the website, taking a look how it looks and everything that is available to us. And now you're going to see two buttons. Right here you have the Join Now button that's going to enable you to take us to the next page and get started with signing up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can just go and log in. So once you've done that, now we can get started downloading. Here in the upper right corner you have the quick download option that's going to enable you to download the application, and now we can get started with following this article right here. On the official HelpWire knowledge base, we have an article on how to go ahead and establish a secure support session and how to quickly get started setting up HelpWire and using it. So begin to download the application just like I showed you right here. This is the first step. After starting the application, you're going to copy the connection link that's going to appear right here. You're going to copy it and then you're going to send it to your client, however you prefer, email, text message, doesn't matter, and they are going to follow that connection link. So by following the connection link, the client will be able to download the client app and get started accessing your PC remotely. It's going to appear right here on your side. You're just going to click grant access, and this is how to go ahead and get started sharing your PC and monitor with the client. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.